Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. A cozy kitchen with a person holding a Chick-fil-A gift card and their phone. Today I'm going to show you how to use your Chick-fil-A gift card for delivery. Got a Chick-fil-A gift card and craving some welfare fries? Let me show you how to use it for delivery the right way. Step 1. Download the Chick-fil-A app from the App Store or Google Play if you don't have it yet. After that, open the app and log into your Chick-fil-A One account. Now let's add your gift card. Go to the scan section and tap add funds, enter the gift card code, and just like that, your balance is loaded. Now place your delivery order right from the app. Chick-fil-A will handle the rest, bringing your favorites straight to your door. Using your gift card has never been easier, so why wait? And that's it. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more tutorials and thanks for watching.